Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
No friend of mine will stay in a hotel in my village. You will stay with my...
Titan, stop! Look behind you!
Soldier, come on by Sergeant's surplus hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have too much.
Families can all do this program, practice fire drills, and make a plan so they know just what to do. If they...
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
Yuck! You're a silly lot of engine.
There are lots of friends to meet there. It'll be fun to play with them.
That I switched out that rot gut excuse for alternative fuel with my all-natural system.
No tires, just gas! You need tires, you idiot!
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down.
Drift and fly! Not my town, don't.
All black bitty, bam-a-lam, all black bitty, bam-a-lam, all black bitty.
Security, Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Take my way, that's the highway, that's the
Follow us to the boat. No bingo fields around here.
Bingo fields!
Places to land.
The boat?
The new Lightning McQueen!
Wow. What do you think? Great.
Fix the road! Because we are a town worth fixing!
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
Jackson Store. And why is he so darn fast?
It's no mystery if you study the data, Mr. Hicks.
Flame job.
Oh,
Maybe
thanks,
gold
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Ow. Excuse me. Pardon me. Coming through. Good to see you. My bad. Hey, Ricky. How's the kids? What?
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
And firefighter, Dusty Cropper.
Clear the starting line.
Man, I can't wait to get rocking. This is gonna.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Signorina Sally. It is official. Lightning McQueen is the luckiest car in the world.
you, Todoroki!
Con questi bulloni del cavolo, le mie chiavi non funzionano!
What's he saying?
Let go! Lightning Dragon Fireball!
First, I'm gonna loosen up these ancient joints!
No, please don't.
I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
Recto.